What if I told you that the device you're holding right now could actually make you more money than you ever imagined? I am talking about your smartphone. And I myself made over $800 last month just using a few apps and smart tools on my phone. In this video, I'm breaking down how you can earn passive income by using your phone. It's time to stop scrolling with zero returns and make passive earnings. Keep watching, because your phone is about to change your life. Number 5. Affiliate marketing through your phone. Let's start with one of the easiest and most powerful ways to earn from your phone. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start making passive income, literally from your phone. It's simple. You promote someone else's product, and when people buy through your link, you get paid. You don't need to own a business or even touch the product yourself. You just need your phone and a way to reach people, like social media. Here's the real beauty of it. You can do everything straight from your smartphone. There are free apps like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and even Pinterest, where you can share reviews, tutorials, or simple recommendation videos. You sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Digistore24, or Impact Radius, grab your unique links, and boom, you're ready to earn. The trick is to focus on something you actually like. Let's say you're into fitness. You could create short videos reviewing gym gear, protein powders, or workout apps, all using your phone camera. You drop your affiliate link in your bio or comments, and whenever someone buys through it, money hits your account. Now imagine doing that for multiple products. Once your content starts getting traction, it works 24/7, even while you sleep. That's passive income at its finest. Sounds too easy? That's because it kinda is. But wait till you see the next one. This one lets you earn even while scrolling TikTok. Affiliate links are amazing once you start, but if you want something that's 100% yours, this next one's for you. If this sounds doable, drop a in the comments so I know you're in. Number 4. Creating and selling digital products. If you're creative, this one's a goldmine. You can create and sell digital products like ebooks, guides, templates, or even online courses, all from your phone. You don't need a laptop or studio setup. Apps like Canva, Notion, and Google Docs are more than enough to design, write, and package everything right from your smartphone. Let's break it down. Suppose you're good at fitness, photography, or even budgeting. You can write a mini ebook or a simple how-to guide using Google Docs. Then, design a cover using Canva, save it as a PDF, and sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy. Once it's uploaded, it's pure passive income. People buy your product again and again, and you don't have to lift a finger after the first upload. You can even make short promo videos or social media posts using your phone to attract buyers. Use apps like CapCut or VN Editor to make eye-catching clips. Post them consistently, and once they take off, you'll have daily sales notifications popping up on your screen. And if you're wondering, but who would buy my stuff? Trust me, there's a market for everything online. People are buying planners, digital stickers, study notes, Lightroom presets, and even grocery list templates every single day. The internet is wide open. You just have to put your digital product out there. Hey, if you're still watching, you're serious about earning. Hit that like button and let's go deeper. Now, if you'd rather make money while creating content instead of selling files, this next strategy will blow your mind. Number 3. YouTube automation and short-form content. This one's a bit of a secret weapon. YouTube automation and short-form content. If you've been watching YouTube Shorts or TikToks lately, you've probably noticed faceless channels blowing up overnight. The best part? Many of them are run entirely from a phone. Here's how it works. You pick a niche, like finance, motivation, celebrity facts, or weird history, and use your phone to research and write short, catchy scripts. Then, you use apps like CapCut, InShot, or VN Editor to edit voiceovers and visuals together. You can even use AI voice tools like ElevenLabs or Speechify if you don't want to use your own voice. Once your short videos start getting views, YouTube pays you through the Shorts Fund and ad revenue. And it doesn't stop there. You can plug in affiliate links in your descriptions to double your income. This becomes passive when you build a library of videos that keep getting views long after you post them. The best part? You don't even need to show your face. You can run multiple channels all from your phone, recycle trending topics, and keep the uploads flowing. Once your channel hits monetization requirements, it starts earning every single day, even when you're asleep or out with friends. You're starting to see the pattern, right? Your phone's not just for entertainment anymore. It's a money-making machine. You just need to know the real method to use it. But the next one might surprise you. It's about getting paid for things you already use every single day. Number 2. Using investment and cashback apps. Now let's talk about a different kind of passive income, the kind that grows in the background. There are investment and cashback apps that literally build money for you while you go about your day. I'm talking about apps like Acorns, Robinhood, Webull, or Stash for investing, and Rakuten, Ibotta, or Honeygain for cashback and data sharing. With Acorns, for example, you can link your debit card and it automatically rounds up your everyday purchases. Spend $3.50 on coffee. It'll invest that extra 50 cents for you. Over time, those small amounts start building into serious money, all without you doing a thing. Then there's Honeygain, which pays you for sharing unused internet bandwidth. You install it on your phone, leave it running, and it generates small but consistent passive income every day. Or if you shop online a lot, Rakuten and Ibotta give you cash back every time you purchase through their apps. You're literally getting paid to buy things you were already going to buy. It might not make you rich overnight, but it's a zero-effort way to start stacking income streams, all from your smartphone. If you think that's cool, then comment below, because when you hear about the next one, it's about turning your free time into a steady income stream that keeps paying you long-term. Passive income is awesome, but what if you could create something once and get paid forever? Here's my favorite way to do that. Number 1. Creating online courses. Now this one's for those who have a skill. Any skill. Maybe you know how to play guitar, edit videos, bake cakes, or even speak fluent English. You can turn that skill into an online course and sell it through your phone. Platforms like Skillshare, Teachable, or Udemy make it ridiculously easy. You record lessons with your phone camera, edit them using CapCut or InShot, upload them, and boom! It's live. You only have to make the course once, and it keeps earning as long as people enroll. That's the true definition of passive income. The smartest part? You can repurpose your course content. Turn short clips into YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels to promote them for free. Once your videos start spreading, people will naturally click your course link and sign up. It's a digital snowball. One piece of content leads to another, and soon your phone is sending you new payment received notifications every week. You're probably thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but can I really do it? And the answer is absolutely yes, because the only thing separating you from earning passively on your phone is actually starting. So, which of these methods are you going to try first? Will it be affiliate marketing, digital products, or maybe YouTube automation? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. If this video gave you even one new idea to make money from your phone, hit that like button and subscribe. Because in my next video, I'll show you how to turn short videos into real income streams and multiply your earnings fast. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. And tell me in the comments, what type of money-making video would you like to see next? I might create it just for you. See you in the next one.